So if you saw the video to this, of me resurrecting it, this is a York 863, which was a scrap chassis sent in by one of the viewers, and that's greatly appreciated. He sent me a box with quite a few things in it. So I can't remember whether the case came with it, but we've got a case lid, we've got a front, we haven't got any knobs yet, but I've asked my friend Gareth at Leeds, who does 3D printing for us, to make me a set of knobs. So we'll do without. So we'll check mic gains at full, and dimmer works, RF gains at full, squelch is where we want it, and we'll turn to channel 31, to Mega Chippie channel, and let's see how it goes. Tango 21 test.
Standby, camera's not connecting.
Roger. During that time, we'll plug our extension speaker in. Oh, they are always hard to see which socket's which on all CB sets.
Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, you ready when you are?
Yeah, Roger, I've done my extension speaker, so off we go.
Roger that. Right, that's in the house and recording.
Roger on that, and on this radio we've got a tone control.
Roger that, so I'm heading up the lane towards the end of it. Now passing the passing place and doggy daycare, which isn't in use.
Roger on that. I'll leave it in high.
Roger. I'm just trying to think what CBs have a high-low tone control. Is it Amstrad 901 perhaps?
No, it's got a continuously variable one. Not that it has much effect except the last the last little bit. It's high, medium and low, this one.
Oh, roger that. Right, we're at the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Lancaster service station 135.9 and 145.9.
Yes, I know, they just put £53 worth in the other car for our road trip to wherever we're going.
Ouch. Are you taking a camera?
No, well, I will do, yes. We'll have to get on with it because the vendor can't see it till 5 o'clock, by which time it's dark. Where are we going, Mr.
Chippie? Just south of Canterbury, Kent.
Roger that. Buying a batch of CBs, which I've didn't realise they weren't posting.
Roger. Anyway, there's a Dartford tunnel on the way back. That might be nice viewing for some who've never seen it.
Yeah, and the £3.50 it costs.
Is that both ways?
£3.50 each way.
Ouch.
You only get a discount if you set up an account.
Yeah, well, I would imagine you probably don't intend going again.
No, last time we went, we bought that Hyundai Matrix car, didn't we? And we went one way and came back another. And anyway, that's the last time we did that. And so when was that? 12 years ago?
Oh, easily, yeah. I bought, I think I bought an amp from, I think it was Canterbury again, because we weren't that far off, so I picked that up on that job.
Roger on that. I know we subsequently used our unused credit.
Yeah, roger that.
When we bobbed to buy a sharp vertical record player thing, and it was London way, so that's when I used that credit.
Roger that. We're still sat at these Tampa traffic lights where they mess about with the road.
Yeah, I think the moat's leaching into the road.
Yeah, it's needed drainage for ages, that, so about time.
Oh, No, we've been all right with the channel. It was really noisy when I drove back from Grantham.
Well, yeah, it was. I heard you on the tannoy, so I put the main sat on and I just couldn't hear anything for SSB noise.
That's exactly what I was getting all the way back from Grantham.
Right, we're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Wonderful.
Top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
From Mr. Chippie, we're now going around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. On a York JCB863, which is a resurrected scrap chassis, was kindly sent by a viewer, and I put it all together. So, we're doing full forward output on a standard replacement mic, and there you go, over.
Yep, roger that. All received, no problems.
Roger Dodger. I've asked our friend Gareth at Leeds to make this test of problems for him.
Good. Going over Wilsford Level Crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford Level Crossing.
Roger.
I've got interference back, Mr. Chippie.
Yeah, I can hear it as well.
Try 3030.
Roger.
Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, that's not going to work. I'll look for another.
Roger, let me know.
Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, 3535, over.
Roger that.
Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, that's not going to work either. 36.
Roger.
Good grief, we're going to be worn out doing this. 37, please.
Roger, just passing Kelby turn.
Oh, you're the Kelby turn. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie on 37.
Yep, roger that, received it.
I've still got a voice on it. We'll see how we go.
Yeah, roger that. passing the Greyleys turn.
Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn.
Roger. Chippie, now at the 5 mile point.
Roger on that, got you at the 5 mile point, as long as it holds out channel wise. Right, so on this York JCB863, which is a rebuilt from a scrap chassis, and it's doing full forward output, it's going 1.2 amps. I'm on a standard replacement mic. Let's go to low power, something which has been removed from this radio. It's now doing 400 milliwatts. Here we go, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we are on low power, the radio's going 600 milliamps and doing 400 milliwatts output. Back to full power. There we are, back on full power. While I'm at it, we've got one of these clear normal switches. I don't bother checking when I've got the radios in bed whether these have been bypassed or not. We were in normal position. I'm going to switch it to clear position. There we are in clear position, and we'll go back to normal position. And whether it works or not, I really don't care, over.
Yep, roger that, it did work. It just makes you tinnier. Anyway, yeah, no problems, low power or high power, apart from when the PSK or FSK is coming across you.
Yeah, well, there you go, but we've been round the channels, the field. Off you go when you're ready.
Yep, roger that.
This channel, talking about the dipole, so we need to go to channel 38, over.
Yeah, roger that, I can hear that as well.
Well, there's a light lift on, isn't there?
Yep, looks that way. Anyway, we're on the move again.
We're on that. Like doing CBT, trying to find the channel.
Roger.
Glad we're not doing CBT today, that would be unusable.
Yep, no doubt you're right. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Crosby level crossing. Over.
Roger, well, that's what you're doing.
Right, petrol's going up here again. 141.9 for unleaded and 149.7 for diesel.
Well, I made the right choice in putting £53 worth in Ancaster.
Yeah, it's always the cheaper of the two.
Roger on that, well, thanks very much. The radio worked great, the channel didn't. 10-10.
Roger that, 10-10.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger, well, I've got you at the level crossing. Have you got a petrol price for me today at that end, please, over?
Right, petrol's going up here again. 141.9 for unleaded and 149.7 for diesel.
So I made the right choice in putting £53 worth in Ancaster.
Yeah, it's always cheaper than the two.
Roger on that. Well, thank you very much. The radio worked great. The channel didn't. 10-10. Right, I'll pull that back to 31. I'll pop the squelch up so it doesn't annoy me. I'll do the piece to our base station. That works absolutely fine. We'll get some knobs on it. Then we'll be able to offer that one for sale.
Tango 21, testing the JCB York 8, the York JCB863 to our Midland 76 standard base station, which of course has exactly the same chassis in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 12. Pop it on low power just as a home test, but these sets don't suffer from that. There we go on low power, and then we go back to full power. There we are back on full power. We'll just do this clear normal thing, seeing as it still works on this set. That's normal. This is this dark clear position, and then back to normal. So there you have it, York JCB863 Resurrection from a scrap chassis.